everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mandy and today we are back with another advent calendar unboxing. Today we have the 2023 Amazon Beauty Advent Calendar. Before we start, can I please ask that if you're new here to please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, because that way you will be notified of all advent calendar unboxings. The Amazon 2023 Beauty Advent Calendar is another multi-brand advent calendar, and it's supposed to be one of the more affordable ones with amazing value. Now, basing off of last year's box, I am expecting this one to be one of the top runners for this year and really amazing. Now, this one is valued at over 500 Australian dollars and retails for 100 Australian dollars. Unfortunately, given how amazing value this calendar is and how popular and high in demand it is as an affordable calendar, it's actually already sold out. This one sold out quicker than I anticipated this year, and unfortunately, you can't get this one anymore. However, I will put a link of all the other available calendars that you can still get in the link below. There's meant to be 15 full-size items inside and 18 deluxe size products inside. That's a total of 33 products. The box design this year is very similar to last year, but I believe last year we had a pink theme and this year it's dark blue and gold. Let's go ahead and get started. So on the first day, we have the mini Olaplex number 3 hair perfector. Now this one is 30 mils, but the full size normally retails for 54 AUD. I'm a fan of Olaplex. I can never say no to having more of this. So I use this one about once a week, and I do feel like it makes a difference if you have damaged hair. Day 2, and we have 2 items. We have the Mini Philosophy Skin Resurrection Overnight Power Hydrator, and we have the Mini Philosophy Hyaluronic Glow Moisturizer. Now the first one, which is the Overnight Power Hydrator, it's actually 7 mils, but the full size retails for 72 AUD. This is an overnight treatment that's meant to boost cell renewal and fight dehydration. So I have actually heard mixed reviews about this one though. Now the second product is the Hyaluronic Glow Moisturizer, which is also 7 mils and also retails at the full price of 72 AUD. This is a daily moisturizer you can use day and night, and it's meant to hydrate for 72 hours. I'm definitely keen to try this one out. It sounds super nourishing. It's such a shame that these ones are really small in size. Moving on to day 3, and we have the Mini Grande Lash Peptide Lash Enhancing Serum. Now this one is 1 mil and it retails for 56 AUD. Okay, so despite this being a mini, I'm not mad because I really love this product. This is honestly one of my favorite lash serums of all time. If you haven't tried it, you are definitely missing out, and I highly recommend this. We are up to box 4, which is also 2 products. We have the Mini Wella Fusion Intense Repair Mask and the full size weDo Shampoo Bar for normal or damaged hair. Now this Wella repair mask is actually 30 mils, but the full size retails for $37.50 AUD. It's meant to be super creamy, really nourishing, and also has amino acids. I do love a good Wella product, but I haven't actually had time to try this one out, so I can't wait to test this out. Now the weDo Shampoo Bar here, it's our first full-size product, and this one retails for 14 AUD. The scent on this shampoo bar is absolutely divine. This one has argan oil in it too, and I think the size is just perfect for traveling. Day 5, and we have the full-size COSRX, the Hyaluronic Acid 3. Now this one is 20 mils and retails for 52 AUD. This is packed with amino acids, ceramide, and hyaluronic acid to provide hydration to the skin. I have always been a fan of COSRX, and this is one of their iconic products. We love to see it in the advent. On day 6, we have 2 products. We have the full-size Palmer's Cocoa Butter Hand Cream, and we also have a mini OPI nail lacquer. Now the hand cream here is actually 96 grams and it retails for $7.69 AUD. Their creams are honestly so moisturizing. I love it so much. This one actually smells so good, you guys. I am obsessed with the smell. Now the OPI mini nail polish here It's 3.75 mils, but the full size retails for 22 AUD. I actually love how subtle the pink color that we've been given here is. It is one of the tiniest bottles from OPI that I've seen, but I think this is good for just carrying around in your handbag on the go, I guess. Moving on to day 7, we have the full size Natio Gentle Foaming Facial Cleanser. Now this is 100 grams and it retails for $17.95 AUD. I can actually already smell the cleanser without even opening it. This contains aloe, rosewood, squalane, lavender, lemon, and sandalwood. I like that this cleanser is infused with essential oils, keeping the skin moisturized, and it's super gentle on the skin too. Day 8 is the full size Dear Claire's Midnight Blue Calming Cream. Now this one is 60 grams and it retails for 52 AUD. I have tried this one before and it's actually a great cream for sensitive skin and calms down irritation. I actually really like this one and I didn't realize we were going to see some K-beauty products in this advent. On to day 9 and we have 2 products. We have the mini Maybelline Surreal Mascara and the mini Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. Now the mascara is actually 4.7 mils, but the full size retails for 28 AUD. This mascara is meant to be extremely lengthening and volumizing. I also like that this one is smudge proof and is meant to last over 24 hours. Now the other product that we have here is the Superstay Matte Ink. Now this one is 2.7 mils and the full size retails for $11.99. The shade is Seductress and it's a really nice nude taupe color. Okay, so on day 10 we have the full size 1000 Hour 3D Collection Bambi False Lashes. These retail for $12.99 AUD. It's designed really fluffy and glam, and of course this one is reusable. Okay, so I'm normally an extensions lashes kind of girl, but I am actually having a break from extensions right now, so I have been wearing falsies. So I'm keen to try this one out. It looks really glam and lush. Day 11, and we have the full size Bioderma Sensi Bio Micellar Water Makeup Remover. Now this one is 100 mils and it retails for $12 AUD. This is such a great gentle makeup remover that is fragrance free, paraben free, and alcohol free. I've actually used this one before and I really love it. It's super gentle on the skin and it's suitable for sensitive skin types as well. On to day 12 and we have the full size Aimeili Builder Base Gel Nail Polish. This one is 10 mils and it retails for $8.50 AUD. So the color is a nice subtle pink, but it is super natural. So I'm not sure how I feel about this one because I feel like in order to use this one at home, you need all the gear for doing gel nails, such as the UV lights. But I don't have any of that, so I'm not sure how usable this is for me. Over the halfway mark, we have day 13, which has 2 products. It is the mini Mediheal Tea Tree Essential Mask, and we also have the full size I'm From Rice Toner. Now the tea tree mask here, it's a single use sheet mask, and the reason why I call it mini is because it usually comes in a pack of 10 and retails for 30 AUD. I quite enjoy Korean face masks and this brand is actually quite a good one too. This one is great for dry skin types. It actually soothes dry and irritated skin. Now the rice toner we have here, it's 30 mils and it retails for $30.08 AUD. I've actually been meaning to try this toner for such a long time. I've heard amazing reviews about this one. On day 14 we have another 2 products. Ooh. We have the full size Chic Hydro Silk Touch Up Facial Razor, and we have the mini Weleda Skin Food Body Lotion. Now the Chic razors are actually coming in a pack of 3 and they retail for 12 AUD. So I have used facial razors before, but I just don't think it's really for me. So this is mainly used for peach fuzz, which I don't really find I have that much of, so I don't really need to use this constantly. Now the Skin Food body lotion here, it's 20 mils, but the full size retails for $21.56 AUD. This body lotion is suitable for dry to very dry skin. So this one has a very subtle rosemary scent, which I actually quite like. It's not too strong. And I like that this one is also not greasy. Moving on to day 15, and we have 2 products. We have the Mini L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara, and we have the Mini L'Oreal Le Khol Naturel by Paradise Eyeliner. Now, the mascara here is 4.9 mils, but the full size retails for $25.99 AUD. I think I've actually used this mascara before. It's very volumizing and lengthening, and this one also suits sensitive eyes too, which is cool. The eyeliner here is a mini, but the full size retails for $19.99 AUD. Now, it's also come in the color black. I usually like using pencil liners like this for the waterline. On to day 16, and we have the full size OGX Thick and Full Biotin and Collagen Oil Mist. Now this one is 118 mils and retails for 27 AUD. This mist is packed with vitamin B7 biotin, collagen, and hydrolyzed wheat protection. Guys, oh my god, this smells amazing. Definitely adding this one to the hair care routine. Day 17 is another 2 products. We have the Mini Essie Nail Polish, and we also have the Mini NYX Plump Finish Setting Spray. Now, the Essie nail polish here, it's 5 mils, it's a mini, but the full size retails for $15.99 AUD. This is a gorgeous soft pink color. So last year we actually got an Essie product in this size, but it was the cuticle oil, which I really loved. But this is a very, very cute color. Now, the mini setting spray here from NYX, it is 30 mils, but retails for $18.99 AUD at the full size. This spray is meant to be for all skin types. It's plumping and hydrates for 24 hours. So I've never tried a setting spray from NYX before, but this one actually smells amazing. Definitely keen to try this one out. On day 18, we have the full-size Mizon Phyto Plump Collagen Serum. Now this one is 30 mils and retails for $40.46 AUD. This serum is super lightweight and tackles fine lines and wrinkles. I love that it's packed with collagen and it isn't really sticky. So you can use this one day and also nighttime too. I am actually shocked at how many K-beauty products are in this advent. Wow. On to day 19, and we have another K-beauty product. This is the Mini AHC Luminous Glow Real Eye Cream. Now this one is 12 mils, but the full size retails for 25 AUD. This one is a brightening eye cream and it also has anti-aging technology. AHC is another brand that I quite like, and I really will be needing this because my eyes have really been experiencing dark circles lately. Day 20 is the full size Sally Hansen Insta Dry Nail Color. Now this one is 9.17 mil and it retails for $5.82 AUD. This is a really bold red color called ASAP Apple, and it's meant to dry within 60 seconds. I normally don't really go for a bold red color like this, so I don't have one of these in my collection, but I am very keen to try that Insta Dry technology. Moving on to day 21, we have the Mini Grown Alchemist Gentle Gel Facial Cleanser. Now this one is 50 mils, but the full size retails for 52 AUD. This is a gel cleanser. It's super gentle and is perfect for sensitive skin. This one has a really nice chamomile scent. It's very, very subtle. I had this one given to me from another advent last year. I think that's how I discovered it, and I've been using it and actually really, really love it. We are on the final row, and on day 22 we have 2 products. We have the full size Sukin Original Hydrating Mist Toner and the Mini Jack Black All Over Wash. Now the toner here, it's actually 50 mils and retails for 5 AUD. This one is paraben free and alcohol free with a chamomile and rose scent. So the scent on this one is actually really nice, and you're supposed to be able to use this on your face before or after makeup. Now the all over wash here is a mini and it's 30 mils, but the full size retails for $34.10 AUD. It's supposed to be a multi-purpose head to toe wash. The formula has a mild pH that suits being used head to toe. Okay, interesting. I've never heard of this brand before, but I think this would be really good for travel purposes. We are on the second last day and we have the full size More Wild Sage hand cream. Now this one is 100 mils and it retails for 29 AUD. This packaging looks so luxe and More honestly makes such lovely lotions and hand creams. I normally go for sweeter, fruity or florally scents when it comes to hand creams, but I can't wait to try this one out. We're finally on the last day and we have the mini Hugo Boss Eau de Toilette. Now this one is 5 mils, but the full size usually retails for 146 AUD. Okay, so this is definitely a men's scent, but I'm not really sure what it's doing in the last day here. I am a bit disappointed in day 24, I'm not going to lie. I think it is a nice scent, but I'm probably going to be gifting this to my husband. Yeah, it's a little bit anticlimactic given it's the last day and we were expecting, I guess, something more extravagant. So this is the Amazon 2023 Beauty Advent Calendar. What did we think of this year's box? Let me know in the comments below. Personally, I do feel a little disappointed. Compared to last year, I think last year's box was so much better because it had a Foreo device in there. And I was kind of expecting something similar, extravagant wise, in this box, which was a little bit of a letdown when day 24 was not it. But in saying that, there was also a lot of mini deluxe that I felt were really like samples, or even said samples actually on some of them. So that was a bit disappointing. But also in saying that, it is an affordable $100 advent calendar, and I do think you get a lot of the value back in some of the full size items. So as I mentioned earlier, unfortunately this calendar has already sold out due to high demand. Now I have a link below on all the other calendars that you can still get, so make sure to check those ones out. As always, thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. I will see you in the next video. Bye!